Okay, today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of my Reprap, which is a 3D printer. It prints prototypes. You basically go on a computer, draw out your image, and then this prints it using plastic. I'm going to show you how it works first, and then I'll go through what I did to make this thing. So, I'm just going to show you it moving. For now, I'm waiting for the plastic to come in the mail, so I can't show you it printing today. But it's moving up top there, and then it's going to move forward there. Then I can move it down. You can't really see it going down too much, but it's going down. Okay. I'll start by showing you what the structure of this thing is. It's the model is called a Printerbot, P-R-I-N-T-R-B-O-T. I bought mine off of eBay for $40. I tried to make my own, but everything needs to be exact, and I just didn't feel it would work as well if I use those. It's really simple. I like the Printerbot a lot. Mendel's the other one, and it seemed to be more complicated, and it costs a little bit more, but it's more popular. You'll see that probably. Now moving on to the electronic part. I started out with Sanguinololu, and I built this one actually. It's probably the cheapest way to go, and it's not really hard to solder, except for this chip on the bottom, FTDI chip, which recognizes the USB port. And there's no surface mount parts on it, so it's really easy. But I just didn't feel that one was working too well. I had some problems with it. So I just went ahead and bought the next step up, which is a ramps board. This one came pre-soldered, so I didn't have to do that. Underneath, it's two levels. The first one's a Arduino Mega, actually, and then on top is the ramps board. You can kind of see about 4 different drivers on it. Here's a driver. It's a 84988 driver. These things burn out like crazy. So if you ever make one of these, do not disconnect the wires until the power is completely off. To run this, there's 5 volts coming from the computer, which one runs electronics, and then 12 volts with about 15 amps. You got to go over about 15 to make this thing work. That runs the motors and the bed. It's actually a heated bed, and the hot end, which isn't on here, but I actually made my own hot end right here. I'm gonna test to make sure that the plastic goes through the bottom of it before I attach it. I just want to make sure when I get it. The way I made this hot end, it's actually there's 2 different ways: a resistor going through like a block, aluminum block, and then a nichrome wire. The second one is a nichrome wire wrapped around, just like a screwed. And I like this way better because it's smaller. They say it gets bumped less, and I feel like it heats up fairly quick. Nichrome wire, you just wrap it around there. But you know, this way was easy. I made it myself, and so I can adjust it myself. I can adjust the resistance by making a longer wire, and just for your information, a longer wire, more resistance takes up longer to heat. So that's it. Can't wait to get the plastic to start printing. Thank you for watching.